To create an Instagram account, you can follow these steps. Download the Instagram app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. You can sign up using either your email address or phone number. Enter the required information and then tap Next. On the next screen, you will be asked to create a username and password. Choose a unique username that you want to be known by on Instagram and a strong password that you can remember. Once you've created your username and password, tap on Next to proceed to the next step. You will then be asked to fill out your profile information, such as your full name, profile picture, and bio. You can also choose to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account, which will allow you to find and follow friends who are already on Instagram. Once you've completed all the required fields, tap on Done to finish creating your account. Congratulations, you've now created an Instagram account. You can start posting photos and videos and connect with friends and other users on the platform.